Oh, I'm so scared. Hey guys, I'm Yasmin and I am here today to do an unboxing of the GoPro HERO 10 that just came out. It was released on September 16th, just about 2 months ago. The holidays are around the corner. I know that folks are gonna be looking to buy for themselves or as a gift for other people. I bought it for myself for a little project that I'm working on. Not a little project, for me it's big, but basically it's a hobby that I've taken on, and I'm not going to share that just yet. I will be documenting the journey, but I'll be documenting with the GoPro HERO 10. I felt like it was a deal. When I did the math, it made sense. This has a bundle. I was super surprised to see how tiny this is, and of course when I open it from the box, I expect it's going to be like really miniature. So first thing, it comes in this cool looking, black clean case. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny, guys. It's so tiny. Okay, all right, I'm so excited. I feel like I'm in a candy store. Okay, like a child in a candy store. So this is it. Look at this thing. It's like a little bit bigger than my eye, guys. But this is it. Okay, I'm gonna not get my oily fingers on it. I'll put it here for a second. Let's see what else it comes with. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's supposed to have a battery and like an extra battery. So here it is. It does come. Oh my God. Look at this. It looks like it's a toy. These are the two little batteries that come. Actually, normally I think it comes with one. I got a bonus battery with this bundle, which is like 20 bucks. So that's a steal for me. And then I know there's supposed to be like a handle. I think it's right here. And it has, GoPro names their things in a very interesting way. I should have looked those up in advance, but I think like one of them is called like Handy or something. This must be that handle. So it comes with some wrapping around it. So we're gonna remove that. Wow, okay. Here we go. Oh, so simple. Not interesting at all. Okay, this is it. All right. I really don't know what these things are called. I'm going to have to learn, find out, and then write it somewhere here, I think, whatever it's called. And I imagine, let's figure this out together, shall we? This probably, I have no idea, guys. I have no idea. All right. No idea. It's a piece. It goes somewhere. I didn't even open the GoPro. Let's see. So I imagine that they put these white pieces of paper wrapping around these things so that they don't scratch in shipping, maybe, or maybe to feel like special, like you're opening a gift. I don't know. But I have seen on YouTube, I've watched so many videos about GoPro and Insta360 and DJI, just, comparable action cameras. So I did notice they would flip this thing down. I'm pretty sure that goes like in here, like so. I can tell, I don't know if you guys can see this from over there, but like I can tell what this is, right? Because as I showed you guys, you pull down these little pieces here on the bottom of the camera. This is unbelievably light. I'm just so blown away by this. And then they slip in to the slots that come on this. And I'm sure that this piece goes onto something. I just gotta figure out what. So putting this back, and there are two of those pieces. So I'm gonna guess that one goes onto this thing, which I believe this was like the clip, and it's a magnet, so it's holding the cables. These are just cables inside, so I could push it out. Here are the cables. I'm guessing that's for charging and dumping video footage. But this has a magnet on this side, and it's a clip. Oh, it's a very tight clip. That like I've seen in videos, if you have a backpack on, you clip it to kind of like the strap of the backpack, and then the GoPro faces outside like everyone else. Or it can sit maybe like in your car around your dashboard somewhere that's magnetic. I don't know. Or if there's a place to like hold on to there. I have no idea, guys. I really don't. I'm winging this. I have no idea. There's also what I had pulled out, these pieces. I know that this glues onto something, and this is what we're gonna do. By the way, not glue, but like sticks, because it's a 3M adhesive here. So there is a little card, and I see a picture of what looks like maybe like a helmet. I think it's a helmet, and that piece, this little piece with the 3M adhesive, looks like it goes on top of it. So very cool. And it is rounded, it's curved, so I'm guessing that might be the only use for it. Maybe helmets, and I don't know what else could be round, and you can place that on it. Okay, so now I see what these two screws are for right here. It goes inside of this thing and then I guess turns. So you basically tighten it once the camera's on. But for the life of me, I don't know how to like get it on to one of these things. I don't know. There's gotta be, make it make sense, guys. I don't know. I have no idea. I mean, I'm gonna keep doing this over and over again, and it's just gonna be the same answer. As if these are any different. I'm switching the two pieces. They're identical. Actually, they're not identical. Okay, so if you look at them, this one has a little bit taller neck than this does. But I don't know how that's relevant. Like, what does that mean? I have no idea. These pieces basically allow the camera to slide into the slots like so. Once you get them in the slots, there's a screw that goes right in to basically fasten the GoPro into that attachment. And then I figured it out. I know exactly how to work this piece here, and I'm not gonna do it on this one now that I've fastened it to the GoPro. I will do it here. So this piece has a rubber flap. You actually have to pull the flap up and out. And when you do that, it exposes the bottom piece so that you can take the other two, I guess these would be female and these would be male, or whatever they call it in device terms. So you take one of these other two attachment or pieces and slide this in with that rubber flap up, and you push down and it clicks into place, and you got to make sure it really clicks, especially anyone that's using this as a action camera. I've seen a YouTuber say that their camera kind of like fell off their chest and they lost it because it wasn't securely fastened. So this is super important. Now we know how to attach this, and I'm sure, you know, getting it off is a similar process. We'll figure it out. But the back side of this one has a magnet. I know it can go into the roof of the hood of your car. On YouTube, folks are saying don't do that. It's not that strong of a magnet. I already have pointed out that this piece apparently is for helmets, and it glues, or it doesn't glue, but it's an adhesive underneath that attaches to the top of the helmet. And then we've got the batteries. So I had struggled when I was doing this before to get the battery in, but in essence, you really have to push hard to pop the lid open, and then you slide the battery in. Voila. And it's done. It's in. So that was that. And one thing I do not want to forget, on the plastic that the entire case came in, they have attached the 32 gigabyte extreme mini SD card. I imagine that people trash this because I almost could have. It felt very close to going in the trash. So it is attached to the plastic. Make sure to take this off before you even remove the sleeve. Otherwise, this is going to go in the garbage. And that's it's valuable enough piece. It does come with a little booklet, and it's basically kind of like a very thick FAQ because it's called Have Product Questions. So really, it appears that this is your manual. Through the GoPro app and their website, figure out what all the pieces do. So I know there was this piece that, in addition to this piece, that were like the main components, and the extra battery and the 32 gig SD card. Like these are the 4 parts of the bundle that came within the case with the GoPro for the deal that I happened to get it. And I got a 1-year GoPro subscription. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, so look out for my next video. I'm hoping to announce to the world, in essence, something kind of crazy that I'm doing. The folks who know me and are close to me already know, and I've gotten very interesting reactions. So I'd be curious to hear what you guys think, but I'm going to be asking a lot of questions. I want to document my journey, and I want to hear from you guys, maybe some advice that you have or your thoughts. Looking forward to it, and see you next time. Bye. So, all right, let's do this. Let's put the battery in. Okay. How do you open this thing? How do you open the battery without reading instructions? Let's see how intuitive this is. Of course, I'm me. I'm me, guys. So I don't really figure things out very well without instruction, typically. And I'm pulling on it, I'm pushing, I'm pulling, and literally nothing is happening. And there's a picture here. There is a picture. I feel like I'm not doing what they're telling me. I'm gonna break this thing. Oh, I'm so scared. Or I'm gonna break my nail. I don't know. Why is this so difficult? I can't. And then okay, so it does come with this, what's supposed to be like step-by-step instructions. So you're not gonna see me get the battery in, I guess, guys, unless I stop the video. Is it meant to be? I kind of got it, but I'm afraid of losing my nails, to be honest. I don't want to break it. I don't want to break it. All right, I'm going to have to figure that out later. And I really don't want to take off these plastic things yet, but it would have been cool if I could have turned this on live, while I'm recording it. Is this, oh, I got it. Ta-da! All right, so you do have to put a lot of pressure on that.